the uninitiated, that's a famous Midwestern restaurant chain with a similar Gothic look. Now, I'm not trying to make a silly joke here. In 2009, a White Castle restaurant executive from Columbus, Ohio took my tour. And it turns out the White Castle restaurant logo and the very building you're looking at do share a common inspiration. They are both modeled to look like the water tower, the building I told you you're going to find after the tour that is